Hello everyone, it is Letterland story time and we are going to hear a story about Eddy Elephant today. Look at him juggling those Easter eggs. Oh my goodness, isn't he clever? Lucy and Tefnut were very excited by the picture in the story because it's a very busy and fun picture, isn't it? Yes, it is. Have a look. It is at a fair. Now, a fair is usually where there's circuses and fun and rides and games, and often you get them in holiday times. Okay, markets, always yummy goodies and food to eat. Yummy. Right, so let's read about Eddy Elephant and this fair. Eddy Elephant is having an exciting time at the Letterland Fair. He is trying a new trick to show everybody, juggling eggs. He isn't exactly an expert, but he keeps on trying. Well, jolly good for him. If you like something and you want to try it, keep doing it until you get really good at it. Look at him! Look at him juggling those eggs. I think he is going to become an expert. Can you see Mr. E? He is the easy magic man, standing under the entrance sign at that big tent. He is by the red and yellow tent. Isn't he smart? Bet he's got some fancy tricks up his sleeve. He showed Eddy Elephant the juggling trick, and he also showed Eddy some tricks for him to do in words. Eddy especially enjoys making his sound at the start of the word elephant. Eddy Elephant. Of course he does. Eddy Elephant also has a clever elephant on end trick. Can you see him doing that trick at the top of this page? Can you see? There he is. The capital E doesn't look the same as the little one. So he looks different, and that's his clever trick. He can sit up like that when he's making his name, E. Can you find an emerald ring in the picture? Somewhere in the corner at the bottom. Yes, there it is. What colour is the stone in that ring? It's green, yes. And an emerald is a precious green stone. An emerald then has become another name for green, a fancy, beautiful green colour. So let's see if we've got anything emerald colour in our little learning space here. Yes, Lucy's headdress, look at that. She's got emerald in her hair, that's right. And this car's wearing emerald green t-shirt today. What else? Background for Eddy Elephant is green emerald. What else? Our two cats here. And a party hat. Cats and a party hat. Oh, we made a rhyme. Look at that. And anything else? Ooh, shamrocks. Shamrocks come from Ireland. An island is called the Emerald Isle. It's got so much beautiful green rolling hills and so many beautiful green shamrocks. Right? So see how many things you can find that begin with E in your house, and how many things are maybe emerald. Okay. And have a look at that picture, see what we missed that begins with E.